Did you know most teens miss out on $500 a month because they don't know this? Don't let that be you. If you don't watch this, you'll miss 5 simple ways to make money fast. In this video, I'll show you 5 easy ways any teenager can start making money right now. Stay tuned because the last method can make you money while you sleep. If you want weekly tips to grow your income and crush your goals, hit that subscribe button. First up, selling handmade crafts. If you're creative, this one's for you. People love unique, homemade items like bracelets, stickers, or custom artwork. It's a great way to turn your hobby into profit. And here's the fun part. Crafting isn't just a way to make money, it's also super relaxing. Think of it as getting paid for your stress relief. Start by selling to friends, family, or at school events. Then, take it online. Platforms like Etsy or Instagram are perfect for showcasing your creations. Remember, eye-catching photos make all the difference. And don't forget, you can even package your items with a handwritten thank you note to make customers feel extra special. Second, pet sitting or lawn care. These classic jobs are still some of the fastest ways to earn cash. People are busy, and they'll gladly pay you to take care of their pets or yard work. You could walk dogs, feed cats, or mow lawns. And maybe even discover you have a green thumb in the process. Here's a tip. If you're pet sitting, always ask the owners what their pets love. Treats, belly rubs, favorite toys, it's like being a pet detective. And hey, if the dog likes you enough, you might get hired for repeat gigs. Create simple flyers or post in local Facebook groups to find clients. And don't underestimate word of mouth, ask your neighbors to spread the word. Way number 3, sell photos or create content online. This one's perfect if you're into photography, writing, or design. Sites like Shutterstock, Fiverr, or even Etsy let you sell your work. For example, upload cool landscape photos, digital designs, or even write captions for social media. Remember, even everyday pictures of coffee mugs or city streets can sell if they're high quality. Who knew your morning coffee obsession could make you money? Consistency is key. Set aside time each week to upload new content and build your portfolio. Over time, your work can start earning passive income. And here's the joke. The best thing about selling online is your office is literally anywhere with Wi-Fi. Yes, even your couch. Way number 4, tutoring or teaching a skill. You'd be surprised how much people will pay for your knowledge. Good at math, help younger kids with homework, love gaming, teach someone how to level up in Fortnite. Whatever you're good at, there's someone who wants to learn it. And yes, teaching gaming skills is a thing. So now when someone tells you to stop playing so much, you can tell them it's your business. Advertise your tutoring services on bulletin boards, in school newsletters, or through apps like Wizant. Bonus, you're helping others while getting paid. Finally, the game changer. Start your own small business online. This could be anything from drop shipping to creating a YouTube channel. The best part? Once it's set up, you can earn money even while you sleep. Platforms like Shopify, eBay, or even Instagram make it easy to sell your products or services. Think about what people in your age group love. Whether it's trendy clothes, gaming accessories, or unique designs, the opportunities are endless. Here's a bonus idea. If you're not sure what to sell, check out trending items on TikTok or Pinterest for inspiration. And if you don't succeed on your first try, don't worry. Business is like a video game. Sometimes you just need to restart the level and try a different approach. Let's recap 5 easy ways to make money fast as a teen. Sell handmade crafts, offer pet sitting or lawn care, sell photos or content online, tutor or teach a skill, and start your own small business. Each of these methods can help you earn money quickly, but the real magic happens when you stick with it and grow over time. Now that you know how to make money fast, check out this video on why you need money and why you shouldn't wait. It could change everything. Which of these ideas will you try first? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for weekly tips to boost your income and reach your goals. Next week we'll share more ways to grow your wealth. Don't miss it.